चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. Today I am going to add one more interesting video in my Study Smart series. Today I am going to talk about 5 things to avoid during exams. But before I start, keep these 3 things in your mind. First, take care of your diet and sleep. Take nutritious food and 8 hours of sleep. Second, never panic if your exams are near. Do not panic, not even for a second. And third, don't be late for your exams. So now let's start the video. So the first thing which you should avoid during exams is social media. Social media is a great distraction for students. Just switch off your phone or at least mute your notifications so that you will not get distracted during your study time. Second point is, don't just read. If you are still reading and learning, just stop and start writing it down. Write all your answers in notebook and check for your mistakes. Writing everything will help you in tracking your time as well as you will know your mistakes for sure. Third is, avoid procrastination or avoid long breaks. Stop procrastinating important stuff. Just do it now, because later either you will forget it or you will lose interest in it. And also avoid taking long breaks. Taking meaningful break is also necessary. Do not sit in front of TV during your study break, otherwise you will lose track of your time. So take a walk or eat something during your short study break. Fourth is, do not compare your preparation. Avoid comparing your exam preparation with your friends, as it will create confusion, or sometimes comparison can lead to disappointment or distraction. Every student is different. So just be confident on what you know and just don't worry about what others know or what you don't know. Be confident. Fifth is, do not study new things last minute. If you find yourself in a situation just before the exam where you came to know that you missed a chapter or topic, do not try to start studying it just before the exam. Otherwise, your mind will get confused and will also lose the retained knowledge. This panic situation will make you puzzled. So trust yourself and go for your exam. I hope you will like the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos on my channel. Love you all for your support. My channel has completed 8 lakh views. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान. न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.